Welcome to Helical Insight training videos. In this video, we will see how we can format a date or a number according to our requirement in a report. Here you see a simple report with date on x-axis and travel cost on y-axis. Sometimes this is not how we want a number or dates to appear as seen in this report. We may need 1,000 separator or have to add a currency to the value or want to show large numbers written in million or billion at the end. Similarly, for dates also we may want to put month in words or in numbers, year maybe in 2 digits or 4 digits, or time should be in 12-hour format or 24-hour format. Let us see how we can achieve such formatting with an example. When you hover over the meatball icon on top right, you will see a list of additional menu options. Select Properties from this list. Again, select the meatball icon within Properties in front of this title. A list of additional options for properties will appear. Select Format from here. When you click on the box in front of field, you will see the list of only the numeric and date or datetime fields used in the report. If a text column is there in this field shelf, then it will not be seen here. For example, in this report, here only date and number field is visible. Coming back to our sample report, let us see the formatting of date field first. So, select travel date for datetime data type. All the customizations that can be done to datetime data type will be shown in this panel. In Apply, we select where these changes are needed to be shown. There are 5 places in which we can see the formatted values of travel date. That is Axis, Pane, Tooltip, Label, and Actions. Axis is along the x-axis and y-axis on any chart with axis like bar charts, area charts, or line charts, etc. Pane is the actual content of the report like values in a table or crosstab. Tooltip sets it on tooltip of pointer. Label applies to data label on the charts when we select a label on the report. Actions enable the formatting on action menu while going for drill down or drill through. This is a simple report without any drill down or label. So even just selecting axis and tooltip here is enough. Although if you have all the options and you're selecting all of them, it will just keep you safe that you do not miss on any place in report where that formatting is to be applied. Data type displays the data type of the selected field to which the formatting is being applied. So here you see datetime is the data type. All the subsequent fields are for formatting of datetime based on data type. This will change based on the data type of the selected field. Let us discuss them. In day, we have 3 options of formatting. As of now, you can see that the setting is set to number starts with 0. If you select just number and then select apply, then day part of date is without extra 0, as seen here now. None is to skip showing day part of date at all. So you will see that day part is no more there. Now coming to week. Week gives you option to calculate and add the week number for the given date to the date. None, this is the default as of now. It will not calculate or show the week number. Number will append the week number after date time string from 1 to 52 or 53 depending on the calendar week. So here as 1 you can see. Abbreviation, the week number will have W appended to show the week part in the date time formatting string as week 1, W1, W2, W3. And full will show the week number as week appended to the week number and date time formatting. So you will see that this is week 1, week 2. Similarly, month gives you formatting options for month part of the date to show month as number. So this month part is shown as number, like January will be 1, February will be 2. Number starts with 0 will show the month part in 2 digits, like for January as 01. Abbreviation will show the month part abbreviation, like for January show Jan, February it will show Feb. Full will show the month part in full, like the whole spelling of the month will be shown here. None will remove showing the month altogether from the date part. Quarter gives you option to calculate and add the quarter of the year for the given date. If you enable week along with quarter, quarter values will be appended after date, time and week values. None does not calculate or show the quarter number, and this is the default setting as of now. Number appends the quarter of the year to which the date belongs. Abbreviation adds Q before the quarter number to show the quarter part of the date time formatting. Now, year gives you option to change year part of the date. 4-digit shows the year part in 4-digit format, and 2-digit will show the year part in 2-digit format, as seen here now. And none will remove the year part from being displayed. Next is date separator, which gives you the choice of using a symbol between year, month and date part of the date format you define. You can select from any of these various common date separators. So if I select this / and select apply, you will see that this hyphen has been replaced by / everywhere. R lets you control the formatting of R part of the time, so you can set it in terms of 12-hour format or 24-hour format by selecting from here. And none will remove the R part from being displayed. Remember to select apply after you have done all the required formatting. Only then it will be reflected in the report. Reset will bring the report in its original state. So select reset and then select apply to see the original report. Now to format numbers like travel cost here, select sum travel cost here in the field. And all the formatting options for that numeric data type will be shown in the panel. Apply can be used in the same way as we have discussed before, with exact same options of access, pane, tooltip, label and actions depending upon where you want to reflect the change in number. Enabling 1000 separator will add a comma separator to make it readable as standard 3 places separator. So you will see after applying, a comma has been added at standard 3 places separator on the axis. Decimal makes specified number of decimal places in the visualization. Anything with more decimal places will be rounded off to 2 decimal place as selected here. If I selected 0, then there will be no decimal. Prefix lets you to add text string or symbol before the number. For example, I can add $, here and select apply. Similarly, suffix lets you to add text string or symbol after the number. Maybe I can add hash. Display units will convert numbers according to the selected option from here. None means no conversion will be applied. Auto means each value will be converted based on how big the number is. Thousands will convert all values by reducing 3 digits and automatically apply K in the end. Millions will apply M in the end by reducing it to 6 digits. Booleans will convert all values by reducing 9 digits and automatically apply B in the end. Percentage will show the numbers as percent by multiplying the travel cost with 100 and add percent in the suffix. All these formatting options are a part of chart or visualization properties. Currently, table, crosstab, grid chart, more charts support the formatting options. Charts is not supporting these formatting options.
From Helical Insight 5.2.3 onwards, for numeric fields, auto formatting will be applied, like 1000 separator and 2 decimals. In order to control this, go to Properties, Format, and select that field. Here we can see auto formatting is enabled, 1000 separated and 2 decimals. If you want to disable, we can disable it. Then apply. Here we can say this is the actual data. And one more property is added, that is add space before display units. Here we can display the data in different units. Let me add thousands, enable this space. So here we can see the space between the value and unit is added.
Congratulations, you're one step closer in becoming a Helical Insight expert.